Okay, the day is finally here. Told you guys that I would provide you with a video that's going to help you and your business minimize your marketing costs and maximize your lead potential. Now I'm out here on this beautiful day in sunny South Florida outside of my home, coming here to give you guys some knowledge, and let's get to it. So I am the closer slash E Kane slash whatever you want to call me. See, E Kane Real Estate. I am an entrepreneur and I've probably done it all. So I want to help you guys on that bootstrap, or I should say shoestring budget. But you need to get your business going. You need the phones to start ringing. So I'm going to give you some, or one, I should say, for now at least, guerrilla marketing technique that you can use to get your phone ringing immediately. So all you're going to need is some paper. You're going to need some fast tack adhesive. Okay, you can get this anywhere. It doesn't have to be Uline. I'm not advertising Uline. But speaking of Uline, on my business credit video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Uline as a company to establish business credit, but that's on a different topic. Let me take it one at a time. So you're going to need these items and a printer, and that's all you're going to need to maximize your business. So basically all you're gonna have to do, like this here, is get your message on this yellow paper. The reason I like yellow paper is because it stands out. You don't have to actually go out and buy those yard signs to where you can stick on the side of the road. You can save money, just buy a pack of yellow paper, get your printer, jump on Google Docs and type out whatever message you want to type out. Once you're done with that, you're going to go out on your nearest, oh, and one more thing, you're going to need a Google phone number. That is important because this is guerrilla strategy, so we're not doing something that the city would appreciate, but you have to get it how you have to get it, just like they do. They're in our pockets. We're going to use our city to make some money too. But anyway, basically what you're going to do with these marketing pieces is you're going to go out and you're going to find your poles on the side of the road. All you have to do is spray the back of these pieces of paper you're advertising, and basically just stick them on the wall. Coming towards traffic, what you want to do is go to the busiest streets, find a light pole, flat surface, or sometimes it works with, as long as you're not obstructing some of those silver metal boxes that's on the side of the road. Those are great for promotion also, and it's a large flat surface where you could just post that on there. Once you post that on there, now you have thousands and thousands of cars driving by every day, and what are they going to see? Boom, that information on that piece of paper, that yellow piece of paper that's standing out, just blurring at them. And if that relates to them, trust me, they're going to call that number and your phone is going to start ringing. And that's basically it. It isn't brain or rocket science, I should say. Simple strategy that's going to get your phone ringing, and as long as you're providing a good service, people are going to call. And once you get them on the phone, it's, right there, that's up to you to close them. So it is your boy, the closer. You can follow me Oh, well, subscribe to my YouTube page. Hit the subscribe button wherever it's at on here, and follow me on Instagram. You could follow me at money_loophole or 10x closer on Instagram. You'll see all that information here. So if you want your phone ringing in 24 hours or less, follow this strategy. Trust me, it's going to help you. And don't say I never gave you anything for free, because for the good stuff I'm going to charge you. And hey, don't be mad at me, because good information is going to make you money. You're going to live that lifestyle that you want to live. But like I said, have a good service. And I am closing out. Have a good day. All right, y'all, what's going on? I'm going to go show y'all guerrilla marketing in action, so stay tuned. All right, folks, so this is guerrilla marketing 101. We showing you how it's done. Got your sign, find the pole, look at the pole. See that pole right there? Find the sign. There we go. Coat the paper. And boom, that's guerrilla marketing 101. That right there is going to get you see the traffic? Turn around, show them the traffic. This way, that way. See that busy road? Everybody that flies by and stop at this stop sign behind me is going to see that right there, and that's going to get you the money. That's going to get your phone ringing.